You said you've been getting blurry vision for how long now? Oh, not to bother. Are you bothered? You have nothing to worry about. Before you leave my office today, I guarantee you will be okay. Alright? So, I just want you to relax. 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 And don't bother again. Alright? First, I'll have to examine your eyes. It's just a painless examination. I just want you to open your eyes wide open while I flash the light on it. Alright. You mean your left eye? You can't actually see with it. Oh, I get you. You can see, but the vision is blurry. Not to worry. Let me examine the other eye. Okay, examine this eye. Okay. Alright. Just a simple test. I want you to follow the torchlight, the flash. Left, right, left, right, left, right, then up and down, up and down, left and right. Perfect. Can I see the done just as if you want to close your eyes? I want to check. Oh, I see some things there. I need to take them out. But first, look at those big eyelashes of yours. You know they really need to go out, right? Okay. Those eyelashes of yours, they really need to go off. Don't worry, I'll do that for you. So now, just be sure of your visual strength. How far you can't see me. I would like you to identify some letters for me. So, look here. What letter is this? A. Perfect. What of this? C. No. That is B. B. And this F. No. E. I think your visual strength is a bit, but can you identify the color of clothes I'm putting on? Green. No. It's pink. Okay. I actually know what is wrong with you. I'm going to just open your eyes so that I put this eye drop. Okay. Okay. Alright. Now just keep your eyes shut. Alright, don't open it. I will tell you when to open it. Alright, just keep it shut. Alright, you can open it now. Open. Can you see me? Perfect. Open again. Can you see